Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to unboxing my new IMILAB C20 Pro home security camera. Okay, and now let's begin. First of all, we need to take out the plastic from here, and then let's see what inside. Okay. Warranty card, user manual, okay, power supply cable, power adapter, the camera stand, okay, here is the main body of the camera. Okay, and take it out. So we got the camera itself, warranty card with the user manual, the power cable. It used the micro SD connection with the USB and connect with the power adapter, and the camera stand connection with 2 screws inside, and the camera body. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of the unboxing IMILAB C20 Pro home security camera. And the next video we are going to set up it together. So now, thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.